Okay, if you're having issues with your PlayStation, the Wi-Fi is not connecting, or the LAN, then you want to come to your router and unplug it or power it off. This one has a power button on the top, but normally they just have a power cable like this, and that's the one plugged into the wall. And you just want to unplug it and wait 30 seconds and then plug it back in. And this is after you've turned off your PlayStation and unplugged it. So first you want to unplug it. First you want to power off the PlayStation completely. You can do that by holding down the power button until it powers off. And then once it's completely powered off, then unplug it from the back of the PlayStation, or unplug it from the wall. Then you come to your router and unplug your router, and once all these lights come back on, then you want to wait for it to completely reset and go back to, on this one I think it's blue, but on some they're all going to go back to green. So just pay attention to what color lights you had before. But it's going to reboot completely. It takes a little bit. See, now they're turning blue. So it looks like I'm back online. Okay, we have some blinking. Okay, now you can see it's blinking here. So it's sending and receiving signals now here. And these are solid. You want these to be solid. The power needs to be solid. The one with the little Wi-Fi signal needs to be solid. And now you can see I'm sending and receiving a signal. So now go back to the PlayStation and plug it back in. If you like these quick, simple videos without dragging it out too far, hit that thumbs up button. Thanks. And this is the router. Sometimes you'll have a router modem combo, but this is just the router. So if you have the combo, then basically like on this one, this is the Spectrum internet. So you would, if this was your router and modem, then you would just unplug that one and wait, and then plug it back in and wait for it to completely come back online before plugging in the PlayStation. See, and it didn't take long for this. You know, it took like maybe a minute. So if this helps, give me a thumbs up. Thanks.